Hi, Julian here from the SERP.NET team. In this video, I'm going to do a quick demo of SiteCrawler, which is located in the Site Management category in the Tools menu. In short, SiteCrawler allows you to explore the internal link and anchor profiles of any site. You will be able to see where the links are located, what the destination pages are, what anchor text they use, and so on. It's a quick and easy way to uncover potential issues, including errors and other optimization. Let's do a search. I click here. Here, you simply need to enter the URL of the site, so it can be your site, a client site, or any site. I'm going to use serp.com as an example. Then you must select the number of links you want the system to crawl. For example, if I select 500, SiteCrawler will crawl 500 links maximum. If you know it's a small site with few pages and links, you may enter a small number. If you know it's a big site with a lot of pages and links, then you should enter a larger number. For this example, I'm going to enter 5,000. So the idea here is to not spend more credits than you need to. Then click on crawl. The search is going to take a few minutes, so now is a good time to grab a coffee. Alright, we're back. Here are the results. So SiteCrawler crawled 391 pages and found 2,339 links. I click here. So just to clarify, this number here is the number of pages crawled plus the number of links found on those pages. Here are the URLs the system crawled. For each URL, we can see the status and the code. Here, all good, but if I sort results by status, we will see a few errors as well as redirections. You can get more info by clicking here. So for example, let's check a specific article. This one here, I click here. So you can see what are the links to this page and what are the links from this page. For example, we can see there is a link to our SEO ranking factors article on our mobile first indexing article and a link to backlinko.com on our SEO ranking factors article. You can see the anchor text used, of course, whether the links are do follow or no follow, site-wide or not site-wide. You can choose to see all links, site-wide links only, or non-site-wide links only. If we go back, under the table, you can see the anchor text breakdown with a pie chart, so you can see what anchor texts are used exactly. Here we can see there might be an issue with some anchor texts, probably some special characters, so maybe something for us to look into. Alright, I hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions or feedback, don't hesitate to get in touch with our friendly support team by clicking here and on Submit a Ticket.